Hello and welcome. I am Sujani and today we will see how you can e-file ITR on the government portal. The due date for e-filing your income tax return is 31st December 2020. It is never a good option to wait till the end date to file your return. Let us understand how you can e-file your return on the income tax portal. You can choose to file your return in two ways, offline and online. Here is the step-by-step process of filing your income tax returns on the government website. Number 1. Log into www.incometaxindiaefiling.gov.in using your user ID or PAN, password and the captcha code and click on Login. Number 2. Click on the e-filing menu and click Income Tax Return link. Number 3. On the ITR page, your PAN will be auto-populated. Select the assessment year, the relevant form, filing type as original or revised return, and submission mode as prepare and submit online. Number 4. Read all the instructions carefully. Number 5. Go through the individual tabs. Number 6. Choose the appropriate verification option in the Taxes Paid and Verification tab. Number 7. Click on Preview and Submit button and verify all the data entered in the ITR. Number 8. Submit the ITR. Post this, you must e-verify your return either through net banking or by sending the ITR-V to CPC Bangalore within 120 days. To avoid loss of data or rework due to session timeout, click on the Save Draft button periodically to save the entered ITR details as a draft. The saved draft will be available for 30 days from the date of saving or till the date of filing the return. That's all for today. If you like to know more, please click on the link in the description box. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to ClearTax. See you.